back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. Today we are in Yunlin, Taiwan, and they're gonna have an event here at this park. Today I'm gonna get some authentic Jamaican food in Taiwan. Well, other than from what I cooked, but today there's a fellow Jamaican in Taiwan who has a jerk barbecue where he goes around Taiwan and sharing the Jamaican cuisine with everyone. So today it's gonna be my turn to have some. I even skipped breakfast today.
1、3、2、3，这个是一手出一拳。
来自我们清溪堂黄定国师傅。
What? Yeah, I know. Yeah, this is what me I anticipate for man. Skip breakfast. Alright.
好，谢谢哦，谢谢我们的黄
This
定
is
华师
Jamaican food in
傅。
Taiwan.
他过来，这个时代在街舞喽。
We have jerk chicken and rice on peas.
Yeah. Want it. I need it.
Got you, bro. Got you. 100%.
Alright, need it. Finally linking up. Rum punch, yeah, Jamaican rum, yeah, Ranian rum bar, and what else? Sorrel drink, alright. I wish I could drink some rum, but I'm driving.
So we got just a base with no alcohol.
She will drive home, so I'll have some rum punch. Perfect.
Okay, I'll give you rum punch first.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So this is some Jamaican rum punch, rum bar rum.
Have some sorrel in it, but just a little bit.
Ah, okay.
Right? But what if it's more of a lemon of cran?
This is perfect.
小辣，对。 Food is ready. Here we go. Making rice and peas and some jerk chicken. Look at that. The food was amazing, like, it's good. Next location you're gonna be at?
Yeah. I mean, next location I'll be in Dan. Next week I'll be in Shinju.
Shinju,
And then the weekend after that we'll be in Dan.
Hopefully one other time we can come through again. Alright, respect bro, yeah. Boston style, original Jamaican jerk. Yeah, got the sauce on it. Look at that. Nothing beats that.
各位碰到哈，好，
好，我们要试一次吗？哎。
This is what
你
we
们在吗？
nice jerk, authentic.
The food is too good. I couldn't even record it before I started to eat it. Very nice. Look at that. Amazing.
See, those guys are rehearsing to go and do their performance later. I'm not very close to the stage where you can see the performance right now, but they're doing that right here. They're having like the drum. I think those are traditional, cultural, like music, folk tale and stuff like those. But it's nice.
哎，真的是有够没礼貌的小猫头，让你看到这。
Ice cream cake. This is like a fried cake with ice cream in the middle. It's like a vanilla cake ice cream. So it's like a donut tasting texture on the outside with the vanilla ice cream on the inside. It's very nice. Perfect for this weather.
好喝啊！
Ah.
好喝啊！你要喝熊果汁吗？你要喝熊果汁吗？这个番茄。
You want this?
This
What do you want? You want this? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, 一个。
一个30。
Okay.
I want this one.
This one? This one? Okay.
要这个吗？
他说这个。
好。
Tomato, some sauce. See, this is famous in Yunlin. It's very good. Sauce tastes like it's like ginger flavor sauce.
Have a look around the park to see what's going on. Oh, this is cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.